Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Flex Now V. Please be sure to follow me on IG, because in today's video we are going to be going over the first part in this free course that I'm going to be giving, and this is going to be the introduction into candlesticks. Now, in this video, my computer is very annoying when it comes down to editing video, so I'm going to be trying to take this in one take. So if I mess up or say something crazy, I'm sorry. Let's just keep pushing through. All right, so let's get straight to it. Alright, so first things first, right now we are on TradingView. TradingView is basically the platform that a lot of people use to either trade or just back test. So simple as that. Now, first things first, these are candlesticks. Now, this green candlestick right here. Now, all candlesticks are basically subjective when it comes down to colors, because I can make my candlestick any color that I want to. But this green candlestick is going to be our bullish candlestick. It can be another word for bullish, call, long, buy, whatever you hear those 4 different terms, that means that the market is looking to go up. It doesn't matter about the color. Now, for the red one in this case, this is going to be a selling candlestick. Another term for selling, you have a short, bearish, a put. Those are just terms that means that the market is going down. Okay, simple as that. Now let's get over to these lines right here. So as you can see, this line right here, this is signifying the wick. So where are our wicks? Our wicks are basically from here to basically here, where the body of the candle ended up closing. Now, what is a wick? A wick is simply candlesticks on smaller time frames. Now, for example, if we look at the top left, we can see this right here. This stands for the hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute. It goes all the way down to 30 seconds. Let's just say, for example, right now we're on the hour time frame. Okay, so on the hour time frame, this wick right here is going to be 2 30-minute candlesticks. Or it could be 4 15-minute candlesticks, or it could be 12 5-minute candlesticks, or it can be 61 minute candlesticks. Okay, so every hour, if we're on the hour time frame, let me just press that. So if we're on the hour time frame, basically every time an hour, or let's say it's 8 from 9, a new candlestick will open. Okay, for the 30-minute, every time there's a new 30-minute candlestick, that means 30 minutes have went by. So that's basically time frames in a nutshell, and that's basically what wicks are. They're basically candlesticks just on smaller time frames. Okay, now when it comes down to it, let's just say we're on an hour, right? Let's say that the candlestick closed like this. So this is going to be the body of the candlestick, and let me just touch on the body of the candlestick. Oh, Diddy, calm down. So the body of the candlestick. So this is where the body of the candlestick ended up closing, and this is where the body of the candlestick ended up opening. Now, how are we able to tell the difference between where it opened and closed? Okay, so this candlestick right here, this is going to be our bullish, our buying candlestick, which means that the market is looking to go up. So if we're looking to go up, we opened at the bottom because we're looking to go up. For example, if this is a bearish candlestick, we're looking to go down. So that means we would open up here, and then we would close down here, because this is a bearish candlestick. We're looking to go down, so that means we start from up here and then we push lower. So that's how a body of the candlesticks work, and we're going to touch more into the body of the candlestick because that's a very important part. Now, back to what I was saying when it comes down to the wick of the candlestick. So let's just say we're on the hour time frame, right? So on the hour time frame, and let's just pay attention to this one green candle right here. On the hour time frame, you know, we close a little bit weak. We have a bigger wick to the upside. So basically what that would tell me, since I'm on the hour time frame, yes, we did end up closing bullish, but I know on smaller time frames, such as the 5-minute, where there's 12 different candlesticks, instead of us looking like we're closing bullish, we may be closing a little bit bearish. There may be some type of trend towards the downside. Like you may see something like this, something that puts the market up. This is the hour. This is where the body of the candlestick closed. But on the 5-minute time frame, it looks something like this. Boom, 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 boom. So this may be where you ended up closing, and you would think, okay, yeah, we're in a downtrend. But if you look at the hour time frame, we still end up closing bullish. And if there's another hour candlestick to open up, you can easily push and break through this. So your entry zone would either be here, here, or here. So you have to be a little bit careful, and you got to understand, you got to understand what time it basically is, and be aware of the time. Time is a very big factor when it comes down to trading. You have to be precise. A lot of your trades, you may not lose because you're wrong. You may lose simply due to timing. So you have to be careful with that. But that's basically how wicks work. That's basically how the body of the candlesticks are. And yeah, I think that's going to be it for this small video. Let's get into part 2.